too much power. Woo. Hello. I'm good.
I think the left line's probably easier to do the big rut.
Yeah.
Big root rather.
To do a bit of a blop. But in saying that, the straight line's probably pretty rewarding if you get it.
If you can nail it.
If. Alright, sweet. Oh. I'm so tired already. Another steep section. Absolutely epic. Don't know where I'm going. Wait, what? Oh, okay. Oh.
So yeah, it's a bit.
Oh, and then it goes left, does it?
Yeah.
There you are. Oh, I would have gone down there. Thank goodness. Thank you. Ew. Good fun. Ah. The stick caught me. I was like, why did I just stop? Nice and steep. Heck yeah. Oh. Oh, far out, nearly lost it. This is awesome. Oh, so close. Got a flaming leaf in my... How am I going to do this? That'll work. Kind of. Nice. Bit of trouble in paradise.
Yeah.
I'll park over there.
Everyone get up it okay?
Pretty much.
Yeah, I just come around the corner and I'm like, yeah, I'm on a funny angle. I'll just go down and go back and do it again with a bit of momentum to get around that corner.
Nice.
Did you go left on that one or did you go
I
straight?
went straight through the middle.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, I'm committed.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Just
I
come up
wanted
the
to do
front
that,
wheel
but
Yeah.
I didn't see none in the vibe
Nah.
stopped on it. I'm like, oh, okay, that's a bit more of a G out.
Yeah.
But momentum would have been fine.
Yeah.
To be honest, like I tricked myself because I thought, oh, it's not that bad, and then I saw it, I was like,
Yeah.
I'm
Oh,
committed.
yeah. And I saw you do it. I was like, all right, looks like we're doing it. I got you on camera doing that though, so it was just like.
Nice work, mate. How you feeling?
Long time no see.
You're doing well on a 450 out here.
Oh yeah.
Real good.
You look like a clone trooper but can ride.
Hey?
Yeah, not very cheaty, but
No, that's what it's there for.
Definitely. We just need to install a winch right here.
that's right around.
Damn lantana. Trying to scratch my eyes out. Lantana, I should say. Just getting tired. Ooh. That hit my brake.
Jack will demonstrate how easy it is.
Oh no, don't say that. I'll make it look as hard as possible so you know how easy it is. Ew! Nice. Momentum?
That's it. Nicely done.
Yep. Just little power, very little power. Yes!
Well done. Nicely done.
Yeah,
Wheel spin.
so good.
Right on the circo, mate.
This is epic. So good. Ow! Oh no, bike's off. That's sick! No front brake!
You can do it, Denny.
I just went fully on the back brake and no front brake and I was sweet.
You'll be fine.
Ew. Oh, that is steep. You got it. Yeah, I know. Ew. Oh, Kenilworth, you've done it again. Good stuff. Woo! Oh no. Whoops. going stealthy. It's pretty fun.